Hey Carl, hope you're having a great day. So this is how you add the company name field, as well as a few other fields that aren't readily available here to the form, so you can ingest that information. So for the company name specifically, I've already added a row and a column here. Just go ahead and add a text field, and I'm just going to call it company name. Put it to a required field. Give it just some information. And then for the meta name, you're just going to select company name. So a lot of that information, company name, job title, etc., is actually just kind of predefined custom fields, essentially, and it's all stored in the contact meta table. So I'm just going to go ahead and add company name as the meta name here, and that's going to actually show up in the company name in the Groundhogg contact record. So just go ahead and insert that. There we go. We have a text, company name mapped to company. Relatively straightforward. For any other fields that kind of don't show up here, basically what you need to do is you just need to create a text field and use the correct meta label for that part, or the correct meta key for that field. To do that, you can just go to the contact record and pull up the inspector. And for example, job title, we'll just click inspect on that, and you can see that the name is job title. So in the name of the form, you put job title. For full company address, you'd put company name, company address. For any of these fields, that's exactly what you would do. Just make sure that the names correlate, and then add a text field, use that name, and then you can create the form that way. So I hope that answers your question, and I hope that you get lots of companies signing up for your form.